Did you know that the friendship between David and Jonathan is celebrated not just in religious texts, but also in the animal kingdom? In the wild, some animals form bonds that mirror this legendary friendship. Take the African elephant, for instance. These majestic creatures are known to form lifelong friendships, often displaying acts of loyalty and compassion. They mourn the loss of a friend and even assist each other in times of need. This surprising fact highlights the depth of emotional intelligence in animals, challenging our understanding of friendship. If you found this intriguing, like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating stories.